Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to review Surveoo, an app that claims to pay you for taking surveys and sharing your opinion. So is Surveoo legit and worth your time? Let's find out. To get started, Surveoo is a survey-based app that promises users the opportunity to earn money by answering surveys. It's available for both Android and iOS, and once you sign up, you can start taking surveys on topics ranging from consumer products to entertainment. It sounds easy, right? But let's break it down. First, let's talk about how Surveoo works. After signing up, you'll be asked to fill out a profile, which helps the app match you with surveys that fit your interests and demographics. You'll earn points for completing each survey. These points can then be redeemed for cash or gift cards, depending on the app's payout options. Now, let's talk about the earning potential. Unfortunately, the payouts aren't huge. You can earn a few dollars for completing a survey, but they don't come in large amounts. The surveys also aren't available all the time, and sometimes you may not qualify for a survey, which can be frustrating. Another thing to keep in mind is the withdrawal process. Once you've accumulated enough points, you can cash out your earnings. However, there's a minimum threshold, and depending on the payment method you choose, it may take a little time to receive your payout. Surveew's biggest downside is its limited availability of surveys. You won't be able to make a full-time income, and sometimes the surveys take longer than expected. Also, there are some reports of users not qualifying for surveys after filling out the profiles, so keep that in mind. But is Surveoo legit? Yes, it's a legitimate app, and it does pay users for their time. That said, it's important to remember that apps like Surveoo are best suited for earning a bit of extra cash in your free time, not for making a full-time income. All right, guys, that's a wrap on our review of Surveoo. After testing the app, we've gone over all the important details: how it works, its payout system, and how much you can realistically earn. While it might not make you rich, it's a decent way to earn some extra cash if you're consistent. Always remember to do your research and never provide personal information unless you feel comfortable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews like this. See you next time.